Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. If it's your first time here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in this video. So as you guys can see there, we are already at Clicks. So I'm here to buy my face products, which is finished, guys. So when we're done here, we're going to Checkers. I want to get my son lunchbox snacks, and also I'm gonna get him breakfast stuff. So when we back home, we're going to prepare chicken masala. I want to make chicken masala today. So yeah, it's a similar as chicken korma, but not a white korma. The other one, there's two types of korma, guys. So I'm going to make similar the chicken masala which I'm gonna make. It's a similar as chicken korma, the reddish one. So yeah guys, keep watching and make sure you like the video. You guys always forgetting to like the video. Give it a nice thumbs up right now, okay? Hi guys, I'm back from Checkers. I'm gonna quickly show you what I brought. Yeah, so I'm gonna start with this bigger buns because it's already outside. So I'm gonna start with this. It was 26 rand, guys, this bigger buns, and I have this roll here. It's for my son. He loves cream stuff, so I bought him this roll. I don't know the taste, guys. I never ate before. So you can take your dessert. I bought this bread here. What they call this bread? It's a roll. What? It's a garlic. It's garlic roll. Garlic roll. It's a different garlic roll. Yeah, and I bought this. How much was this again? Let me see. $8.98. And this yogurt is $39.99. And here I've got this peanut butter for $42.99, guys. This instant porridge is $24.99, guys. Yeah, it's $24.99. The wheat bix, guys, it was $36.99. Okay, so we got this crumbed chicken burger patties. It was $42.99, guys. No, $53.99. Okay, $53.99. What else? This rama, guys, $39.99. Lastly, we got this bright pack. I think the price is here. Let me tell you guys per kg how much is this chicken here. Per kg it's $52.99 a kilo. $52.99. So the whole rate was 80 rand and 12 cents. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got from Clicks. Long time I finished my lotion, guys. I was using Nivea, and I don't like Nivea on winter time. I like something lighter, and this one, it has oil in, but it's not too oily when you apply. It's not too oily like other one, like Nivea. So yeah guys, let me tell you the price of this thing. So guys, the cream, it was $64.99. okay, $64.99. and the serum, how much is this thing? Oh my goodness, 236 rand. Oh, what? I didn't see that. This thing I bought last time, like it was how much? 50 rand. That's why I was like, okay, why is 300 rand? It was 350 actually, like for everything here. Yeah, it was 350. Guys, I didn't see. This is so expensive, Mose. Oh my god. Yo. Ifesi yami izotshintsha iba ngegolide yini mase ngithenga i-200. What? This thing I bought last time, guys, was like how much? 50 rand, man. I don't know, of 60 something around there. Why is it 60 something? No way. I'm going back tomorrow. I'm going back tomorrow and exchange this thing. I'm not gonna open. It can't be 236 rand for this thing. Okay, stay there. So yeah, it says 236 rand, guys, for this thing. And the face wash was 52.99. Even last time I bought like 50 something. This one, something is wrong here. Something is fishy with this thing. It can't be this price. And then for face wash, face wash, we already done it. And the body lotion, guys, it's a 55.99. You see? So we are done with this stuff. Let me go and cook now. Hi guys, I'm back in the kitchen. So we're going to make chicken korma or chicken masala. Yeah, chicken korma and chicken masala, the instruction, they are same, everything same. So yeah, I'm going to follow the instruction. I normally don't follow instruction. I add this masala. I use this masala for flavors only. As you guys can see here, I've got bunch of them. I just love this Ashan spice. It has that taste, man. It gives really a good taste in the food. So I use for only flavors. But today I'm going to follow the instruction how to make chicken masala, because I made once, I think so. I normally make chicken korma, but I made this one. It's also similar as chicken korma. It was very nice, so I want to make it again today using the same method. Yeah, so I washed the chicken, and yeah, now I'm going to cut onion and we fry, because first we have to fry onion and then we remove onion and set aside. And I'm not going to explain now, guys. Let's I'm going to explain as we cook. Okay guys, so the oil is hot already. And you have to make sure that all come out with the same color. Okay guys, so the onion is done. Let's remove it first. We're gonna place a paper towel in the plate and put our onion. I'm going to let it cool down and then crush it. Okay guys, so they say in the same oil we have to fry, we have to add the chicken, but as you guys can see, the oil is too much. I'm going to remove some, and I'm not gonna use this pan. Okay guys, so this is the pot we're gonna use. I'm going to take just a little bit oil and add this side using a strainer, because it takes these onions which burn in the oil. Yeah, I think this is gonna be enough. Yeah, it's enough. Okay. Gonna add this spice here. I'm gonna add the plain yogurt, about 3 tablespoons. Yeah, let me make it 4. They say we must mix it. They didn't mention salt, but I think I must add a little bit of salt. I think the spicy has already salt in, but still, I'm gonna add a little bit more salt, a little bit more salt. Okay, just combining everything. Okay, so they said we must cover and let it cook in low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. That's what we're gonna do now. I'll see you guys after 20 minutes. So guys, this is how the onion looks like after crushing. I just cover and leave it and wait for chicken to be done. Okay guys, I'm back. It's after 20 minutes. Now we're going to add our onion, our crushed onion. Oops. And then we're gonna add ginger. They say we must add 2 cups of water, but it's depending of how much meat or how much chicken you are making. But still, I'm going to add 2 cups of water because I need a little bit more gravy. Let me just mix it first. The sauce looks so creamy. Yeah, let me add water, guys. Okay, we have enough gravy. It looks too much, but still gonna boil. I'm gonna leave it to boil for I think 5 minutes, and then I will come and slow the flame and put on steam so that the oil can come up like this. Okay guys, so I'm back. Our pot is boiling very nicely. So now I'm going to slow the flame. I'm going to slow the flame and leave it on steam for maybe 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, it's done. It's done. It's done guys. It looks so beautiful and it's smells so good. Oh my god. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.